From the showroom floor, coming at you again, where we get to show you a few of the cool machines we have available for sale. Now, they may not be here long, sometimes they sell, but let's talk about 1930 Royal P in the two-tone green, a little worn around the edges as it should, because this machine has been rightfully loved. Topswell, bichromal if you need it. Not too many bells and whistles, but all the normal things for a P. You can get double spacing, single spacing. You can open the carriage and move it as need to. And of course, open everything up, pull the paper out. This thing is pretty darn cool. If you're interested, you know where we are, Typewriter Muse, Riverside, California. Make your appointment today.